I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll make a super easy cinnamon roll in a microwave made out of tortilla. So if you're craving cinnamon rolls, want it quickly, this is the way to do it. Super simple. What we need is a flour tortilla, cream cheese, brown sugar, and cinnamon. So what I'm going to do is take the tortilla and spread it with cream cheese. And next, I'm going to sprinkle it with brown sugar. And with cinnamon. And now cut it into strips. So they just have to be the same thickness. So it's actually very important that they're the same. So I'm going to measure it here. And now we're going to turn it into cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to start rolling. And I'm going to use the shorter pieces first, so they're kind of hidden inside. Here is the cinnamon roll made out of tortillas. So let's put it on a microwave safe plate. So I'm just making one roll, a single serving, but of course if you use more tortillas, you'll have more rolls. So if it kind of comes apart, you can just use a little bit more cream cheese to act as a glue to hold it together, because we don't want it coming apart. Perfect. And now let's take it to the microwave. And I'll put the cinnamon roll in the microwave. And now I'm going to set the microwave for 30 seconds. So now let's take a look. Wow, look at this tortilla cinnamon roll. It looks amazing. Now see if it's heated enough. You know, in my microwave, 30 seconds is plenty. It gets super hot. But if you want, of course, you can microwave it some more. So now let's get this tasty little thing out of the microwave. I'm so excited about trying it. Look at this brown sugar and cinnamon. Looks so good. This is a perfect fix of cinnamon roll. Now let's try it. You know, it's super hot. You know, if you wait till it cools down, you know, you can take it with your hand, but this is a little tricky because it's hot. So here I cut the piece. Perfect. Such amazing flavor of cream cheese and brown sugar and cinnamon, and it's cream cheese that's hot with brown sugar melted together, so it tastes like this yummy cream cheese frosting. This is the simplest and easiest way to make cinnamon roll. You can really satisfy your cravings so quickly and so easily. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!